shelf. Beautiful little curio cabinet right here. $5 to start it. 5, 10, 15, and now 20, and now 25. I have the 25 and 30 and 35 and now 40. I have the 35 and 20 and now 40. 10 I got, 15 I need. I've got the 10 and now 15. The 10 and now 15. Last call for $15 on a square. 15 and now 20. Will you go 20 and you go 20? Is that again? 20 and now 25? And now 30? Will you go 30? Anybody else at $30? Anybody else at $30? $30? $25 to buy a
number?
25 and now 30. I've got the 25 and the 30 and now the 35. I've got 35 and now 40. Is that again? 40 and now 45. Anybody else at 45? Anybody else at 45, 45, 45, 45? $40 to 43. $40 to 43 right here. And now 40 and now 40 and now 40. $35 for 101. Lot number?
640.
Oh, 110. 110, I'm sorry. All right.